Cutthroat Mafia type beat right now. Yeah. The first thing you want to do is, let's see. Probably get Electra X or Nexus. We're gonna open up some Electra X. Let's see what we got. As simple as that, boys and girls. Cutthroat Mafia on the way. And I want to layer with another sound because this is like, it doesn't have that oomph, you know? So we're gonna open up Electra X one more time. I'm gonna copy this and paste it over so I don't change the pattern. We're gonna make the first melody we started with the background noise now. Mix it. Okay, and maybe to make it a little dark, let's try a piano, but I ain't banking on a piano. Stutter Boy Seth, add it again. Let's see. Do we need anything else? Maybe, actually we don't need anything else. I think Suicideboys beats, the Cutthroat Mafia type beats, any dark underground shit usually doesn't have a top line. That shit got me fucked up. I'm gonna be using my Ashes and Echoes drum kit for this beat, as I always do for my Suicideboys type beats. I'm gonna start with the hi-hats. Hi-hat action. Okay. Pitch, I think this pitch down to B instead of C. Sounds good. Now I think we need a crash. This is it. That's it. Are we playing in D? I need more grittiness, so we're gonna put some sound goodizer, as everyone does, I guess, on Suicideboys type beats. Yes, thank you, my drum kit. Now I'm gonna mix and arrange this shit. Okay, so I arranged it. We made a Cutthroat Mafia type beat. It was super fun to make. This is my specialty. What can I say? But I did use my drum kit, the Ashes and Echoes drum kit, one more time. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this shit.